Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Instantaneous rate at 23 looks scary, but this is quick. Use the smallest table interval around 23, then turn that average rate into the estimate. Since the question asks for the instantaneous rate at t equals 23, we approximate it using the average rate of change on the smallest interval containing 23, which is 20 to 26. Now compute that average rate the usual way, change in gasoline consumed divided by change in time. So take V of 26 minus V of 20, then divide by 26 minus 20. From the table, that quotient is 2/3 gallons per minute, so the best estimate for the instantaneous consumption rate at 23 minutes is 2. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Avoid rushing signs. Trust the given interval and check the steps so your average rate estimate stays accurate.